Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Canadian Tire app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Canadian Tire app makes shopping and saving easier by giving quick access to deals, flyers and reward all in one place. You can check product availability, track triangle reward and even find compatible auto part for your vehicle. It's convenient companion for frequent shoppers who want to stay on top of discount and loyalty point. However, the app isn't perfect. Users often report glitches, slow loading time, and occasional crashes that interrupt the shopping flow. While it's great for finding deals and managing reward, the performance issues can be frustrating. And in conclusion, the app still worth using if you are a regular Canadian Tire customer, but it still needs polishing to run smoothly. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.